So, welcome back, guys. As I told you, I'll be sharing some random things, but that will for sure make some sense to you. It will come out in your mind, in your heart, that yes, this is all we are going through as well. So, yeah, let's get it. Let's just get start with the topic. Today, I'll be speaking about spirituality. See, nobody's completely right on the topic. Everybody's got their different opinion. I am putting out mine. To me, spirituality is it's beyond religion for sure. Religion is just a medium. It shows you a way. Have you ever wondered that even chanting one thing, let's forget everything. In Hinduism, we chant mantra, a name, we do a nam jap. But even if you say one thing on loop, you'll always notice it tends to manifest. So every word has got sound vibrations, and that is how it tends to manifest because it also changes your brain waves, right? So for anything, whatever you want to get, for that thing to manifest, it has to be in your thoughts. It has to be highly emotional and intentional to you, right? You have your very high emotions and strong intentions towards it. You have it in your thought, you have strong intentions plus emotions towards it. Now you're chanting, you're also creating sound waves, and that also changes your brain waves. So you become what you chant or say, right? You become what you say, what you think. That's why we say what we say on loop, that you become what you think, you become what you eat. So even food has a major role in it, and exercise, because obviously for your body to function well, for food also got has got too much of healing properties. So it always keeps your gut clean, smooth, give you nutrition strength, give your brain the power and the clarity to function much efficiently. So it's brain, your brain is doing it all. Spirituality, it means something. It means it has different definition by everyone out there. Spirituality is what changes you as a person on the right path, and I still would say there's no right, there's no wrong. There are still arguments going on. What seems right to us seems wrong to other people. Whatever I like, the other may not like it the same way. So spirituality also holds different values to different people. They have their own way, and that's fine. You always have to level up, stay consistent. See, even a sunrise, gazing a sunrise or gazing a sunset can be part of your spirituality. Sitting, closing your eyes, doing nothing can be part of your spirituality. Donation can be part of your spirituality. Helping someone, your work, doing it with full focus, passion, and love is spirituality. So, showing respect to everyone is spiritual. It has so wide, so broad spectrum of meaning, and it is always different to all of us. But coming back to one thing, thoughts plus intention and emotions, and then chanting it is a complete package, I would say. That's how the manifestation begins. Now, it's not something else coming up, showing up. It's something invoking in you. The changes made at brain and cellular level. Now, something is changed inside you, which is making you do the work. So, equals to action. Everything leads to action. And that action is going to lead to who you ever want to become. That's how that is what I've understood about manifestation. I hope it helps.